Are you a homeschooling mom exhausted from juggling your child's education, still wanting to help out financially? You're not alone. In fact, there's a growing community of moms just like you who are finding ways to create flexible, family-friendly income streams without compromising their time at home. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start an online business that brings in consistent income. This means you can continue homeschooling, cover the household expenses, and even set up a secure financial future for your family. And I'll be introducing you to the Legacy Builders program, which provides a step-by-step blueprint for homeschooling moms ready to make a difference financially. As a mom who's walked this path myself, I understand the challenges and dreams you're balancing. Like you, I wanted to contribute financially, but struggled with finding something flexible enough to fit around homeschooling. After discovering this online business, I've dedicated myself to helping other moms achieve the same freedom and security through the Legacy Builders program, a resource designed for moms just like you. If you're interested in learning more about this solution, drop a comment below with the phrase Legacy Income Guide, and I'll send you a free resource to help you get started. Now let's dive in. Point 1, understanding the power of passive income. Many homeschooling moms rely solely on their spouse's income, which can be stressful. With rising expenses, it's becoming harder to save or plan for the future. Passive income is an excellent way to reduce financial pressure and ensure some earnings are coming in, even during busy weeks or unexpected situations. Passive income refers to earnings generated with little to no active work. It's a common strategy in online business where once you've set up your income streams, they continue generating revenue without consistent involvement. This allows for steady earnings even when you're not working. The Legacy Builders program introduces passive income options, showing you how to set up and manage income streams that keep generating revenue even during homeschool hours, weekends, or family time. And point number 2, finding flexible work that respects your family time. As a homeschooling mom, you're already doing a full-time job. Adding traditional work hours could quickly lead to burnout. You need something that fits around homeschooling activities and personal time. Flexibility means having the freedom to choose when and how much you work. Online business offers this freedom because it isn't restricted to office hours or strict schedules. This means you work in early mornings, nap times, or after the kids go to bed. Inside the Legacy Builders program, you'll learn how to design a business model that fits into your lifestyle rather than disrupting it. Whether you have 15 minutes a day or a few hours each week, the program provides strategies to make your efforts count without overwhelming your schedule. And point 3, freedom of a location-independent income. Homeschooling often means needing to be at home, which makes it difficult to take on a traditional job. A location-independent income, you're not tied to any one place, giving you the freedom to work wherever your family needs to be. Location-independent income allows you to earn money from anywhere, at home, on a road trip, or during a family outing. Online businesses don't require a physical location or daily commute, making it ideal for moms who need to be home-based. And Legacy Builders emphasizes location flexibility by teaching you how to create and manage a business entirely from your laptop or smartphone, allowing you to earn income no matter where your family is. Point number 4, building a business with minimal investment. Many families on a single income are hesitant to risk their savings on starting a business. Finding a low-cost way to start earning can alleviate financial strain without a high upfront cost. With an online business, you can often start with very low or no overhead costs compared to a brick and mortar business. You don't need a huge investment in inventory or real estate. Legacy Builders gives you access to digital products and business models that don't require significant startup costs. You'll get resources, templates, and strategies that allow you to start small and scale as you begin to see profits, all without breaking the bank. And point number 5, creating a legacy and financial safety net for your family. Many moms want to contribute financially, not just for immediate needs, but to create a legacy, something that supports the family long term. By creating a financial safety net, you're providing security for your kids' future. Building a legacy means creating something that lasts beyond just this season of life. An online business can be a long-term income source that supports your family's goals, and creates opportunities. The Legacy Builders program teaches you to develop a sustainable business that grows with your family's needs. As you gain skills, you'll learn to scale your business, enabling you to continue providing financially even when homeschooling may no longer be a full-time commitment. If this sounds like a flexible solution you've been searching for, click the link in the description to get more information on the Legacy Builders program and see how it can fit into your life as a homeschooling mom. It's completely free to check out and may just be the answer to your prayers. And point number 6, learning simple marketing skills. Many people feel intimidated by marketing, especially if they have no previous experience. Marketing is a critical skill that lets people know about your business. Simple marketing skills include understanding your audience, creating content that speaks to them, and promoting your offerings effectively. With online businesses, you don't need to be pushy or salesy. Authentic, value-driven marketing works best. Legacy Builders provides beginner-friendly marketing training that walks you through the basics of digital marketing and audience engagement. You'll learn how to use social media and simple online tools to share your business and attract the right people to you. Point number 7, having a support system through community. Starting something new can feel overwhelming. Having a supportive community allows you to share the journey with others who understand challenges, offering encouragement and advice. Community support means being part of a group of like-minded individuals who share your goals and challenges. Legacy Builders community is a network of people who can offer practical advice, motivation, and a sense of belonging. You can ask questions, share wins, and support each other, creating a sense of accountability. And point number 8, understanding how to balance business and homeschooling. Many moms fear that starting a business might take away from their homeschooling efforts. Finding a balance is crucial to ensure both responsibilities are managed effectively. Balancing means creating a manageable schedule where both homeschooling and business can coexist harmoniously without one overwhelming the other. Legacy Builders includes scheduling tips, time management techniques, and insights from other moms who have successfully found this balance. You'll learn how to plan your days and set realistic goals so that your business and homeschooling complement each other. Point number 9, setting realistic financial goals. Setting achievable goals keeps you motivated and prevents burnout. Without clear goals, it's easy to feel like you're working without progress, which can be discouraging. Financial goal setting involves breaking down larger financial aspirations into small, actionable steps that help you see steady growth over time. In Legacy Builders, you'll learn how to create a financial roadmap that fits your life and business. You'll set realistic monthly and yearly targets, track your progress, and adjust as you learn. This makes the journey sustainable and enjoyable rather than overwhelming. And point number 10, the potential to scale your income over time. Many moms start small but have long-term dreams of financial independence. A business that can grow and scale with your life allows you to increase your income over time as your family's needs change. Scaling means expanding your business's reach and adding new income streams as you gain confidence and skills, allowing you to earn more without having to work significantly more hours. Legacy Builders is structured to support growth at every level. As you become more comfortable with the basics, the program offers strategies for expansion, helping you increase your income potential without sacrificing your homeschooling responsibilities. Ready to explore this journey further? Head down to the description and grab the link to the Legacy Builders program and check out the next video showing on the screen for more tips on creating financial security for your family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.